Ha? Uh, na ano, girl. Shout out daw kay Princess Maytad. Ayun guys, so pwede nyo na siguro pwede nyo na ilagay sa comments yung chart request nyo. Pero, ayun, so, yeah, wait lang tayo ng mga viewers. So, meron tayong 22 live viewers. PS ito, Marlon. Marlon se... Ay, sorry, crypto pala to. Guys, di ba kayo nagbabasa ng title? Nakasulat crypto, ba't kayo naglalagay ng Philippine Stocks Exchange? Ayun, so guys, once again, this is crypto, hindi tayo PSE. Oh, hindi tayo PSE, crypto tayo tonight. So, Ayun. BNB, BTT, LTC. So ayun, lagay nyo lang yung mga chart, crypto chart request, no? Crypto, hindi tayo PSE tonight. Ayun, so nag-release ako ng IOTA chart. Tama ba? I think una kong nirelease na chart is ADA kahapon. And then nag-release ako ng chart kanina. But then, nung pagtingin ko ulit sa chart, lumipad na pala tong si IOTA. Ayun, Jayun. Jayun, what's up bro? Parang coin runners lang ba? Alam na alam ah. Oy, sabi ni Jayun, pinsa sabi ni Jayun, hello daw. Hi Mike, Mike Lim from Cebu. Ah, Isaya, hindi natuloy yung live charting sa VIP last night. But gumawa ako ng video kanina and in-upload ko na siya sa Trader Circle. No, again, Isaya Mateo, hindi natuloy yung VIP charting kagabi sa Trader Circle VIP, no? Hindi siya tuloy kasi konti lang yung attendees. So what I did is kinuha ko yung chart request and then gumawa ng video and then in-upload ko sa YouTube tapos andun siya sa Trader Circle. So hanapin mo lang siya sa Trader Circle na live stream, no? Andun siya. Convert, vert coin. You're welcome, Mike. So ayun guys, no. Please tag your friends, tag your neighbors, tag your mom kung nagpi-crypto sila. And kung pwede, pa-share na rin ng pa-share na rin ng live stream na to para sulit naman yung yung effort ko dito, no. Yung tipong guys, ayan may camera na tayo ngayon, no. So this is my first public live charting na may camera. Okay. LTC daw, sabog daw si LTC. ABC. Oh, yeah, oo. A, B, C, D. A, B, C. Yep, yep, yep. So, sa live stream natin, meron tayong delay na 10 seconds. 10 seconds ba? Yeah, I think meron tayong delay ng 10 seconds. So, kung medyo late yung sagot ko sa mga tanong nyo, intindihin nyo na lang guys na medyo delay nga tayo. Congrats! Congrats, Jayun. Ikaw na may 400%. Okay, so uh, let's start. Start na ba tayo, guys? Ayun, currently we have 57. So, hindi siya ganun karami kasi when I do PSE, I usually have 100 plus. So, pero okay na rin kasi this is my first crypto podcast after first crypto live charting after a very long time, no? So, sobrang tagal. Kailan ba ako last nag-crypto? Babe, kailan yung last? Sa Coin Runners? Ayun, so anyway, last crypto na live stream ko is with Coin Runners. So ayun, yeah, ito yung first. Pero anyway, Start tayo kay BTC, no? Let's do BTC. Si Godfather BTC or si Lolo BTC. And so guys, BLX, no, sa mga nanonood, BLX is BTC. Hindi ko alam yung meaning ng BLX, pero BLX is basically lahat ng Bitcoin sa lahat ng exchange pinag-combine tapos ginawang isang chart, no? So, kung sa Philippines, meron tayong Call Financial, meron tayong AAA Equities, Metro Securities. Basically, kinombine nila yung lahat ng exchange tapos para isa lang yung data, no? So, here looking at Bitcoin, um, ito is October 2010. So, mamarkahin lang natin yung lahat ng all-time high ni Bitcoin, okay? So, first all-time high niya is nung June June 2011. And then, nung next na all-time high niya is April 13. And then, the next all-time high is here. Around November 2013. And pinaka-recent natin is December 2017, which is kung saan nag-1 million pesos si Bitcoin. So this is back in December 2017. So if we're gonna look at the whole history of Bitcoin, may kita natin na every time we drop, no, lagi tayo nag-rebound. So this is our first bear market, no, it dropped, rebound, no, and then dropped again, rebound, drop, rebound, drop, rebound. So ayun, sa unang all-time high ni Bitcoin, which is around June 2011, June 2011, no, from all-time high to all-time low, which is around here. Okay, so this is interesting, guys, no. So yung sa first all-time high natin, which is naging $30 si Bitcoin, bumagsak tayo ng 90%. Right? And it took us 161 days bago tayo umabot sa pinaka-bottom natin. No? So, nung nangyari to, I'm pretty sure maraming tao, in-expect nila na, wala na si Bitcoin, tapos na si Bitcoin, kasi bumagsak si Bitcoin ng 92%. Pero after niya bumagsak ng 92%, tingnan natin, no? After niya bumagsak ng 92%, tumaas siya ng 12,000% in 511 days. Right? And then, so, ayun, sa mga nanonood ng live charting ko ngayon, pasensya na kung bumabalik tayo sa pinaka-basic at tinitingnan natin yung history ng Bitcoin kasi I'm pretty sure marami rin dito yung mga bagong viewers. No? So, okay, from April 2013, no, bumagsak tayo ulit ng 76%. Tapos, tumaas tayo ulit ng 1,788%. No? So, every time Bitcoin goes down, every time Bitcoin drops 60, 70, 90%, tumataas tayo ng mas mataas. So, kung bumagsak tayo ng konti, tataas tayo ng sobrang taas, right? So, ngayon, 'di ba? So, ngayon, anyway, may kita natin na si Bitcoin bumagsak. And I think ito na yung bottom. And I hope ito na yung bottom, no? Kasi if not, then I don't know, scary. Pero mukhang hindi. Kasi guys, kung titignan nyo, no? Kung i-compare natin tong data ni Bitcoin ngayon sa data ni Bitcoin dati, right? May kita nyo medyo pareha siya, no? And kung titignan nyo, after niya bumagsak, no? Measure natin kung gaano kalaki yung pinagsak niya. Bumagsak siya ng 85%. Okay? After niya bumagsak ng 85%, tumaas tayo ng tumaas naman tayo ulit ng 11,000%. No? 11,000%. So ngayon, bumagsak si Bitcoin dito. Right? Ilan inabot natin? Approximately, we dropped 83% again. No? So kung titingnan yung history ni Bitcoin, every time na tumaas tayo, bumabagsak tayo ng significant, not significant, no? Yung tipong bagsak na tipong akala mo hindi na siya magre-recover, right? So every time people loses hope, tumataas tayo ng sobra, ang dami ng pinapayaman, no? So I remembered back in 2018 nung in-interview ako sa isang crypto event, tinanong nila sa akin, paano mo malaman pag patapos na yung bear market ni Bitcoin? And ang sagot ko is, malalaman mong patapos na ang bear market ni Bitcoin pag nobody's talking about Bitcoin, walang bumibili ng Bitcoin, and takot mga tao, no? So during those time, Bitcoin dropped to 3,000 eh, right? So ang daming natakot, wala nang pumapansin. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, no, I switched from doing crypto to PSE. Kasi when I started Risk Trader page, pure crypto lang ako. And then I ventured to PSE, no? So ginawa ko PSE and then crypto. And then after bumagsak ni Bitcoin ng 3,000, wala nang pumapansin eh. Nagpo-post ako ng chart ng Bitcoin, ng crypto, pero walang pumapansin. So I switched to PSE, no? And maraming tatanong kung kailan best time bumili. Sabi ko sa nila, kung long-term hold naman 1 year to 2 year, no, pwede ka na bumili ngayon. So this is again guys on the weekly time frame for Bitcoin. And I think it was around in this area, no? It was in this area na tinatanong ko ng mga friends ko, Emer, pwede na ba pumasok ng Bitcoin? And ang sagot ko is, yes bro, pasok ka na sa Bitcoin kung i-hold mo naman siya ng 1 to 2 years. Right? And then, delay lang delay, syempre tayo mga tao, tamad, takot, no? Delay ng delay. So, in just, in just 3 months, no? Tumaas tayo ng 150%. So, kung meron kang 1 milyon, yung pera mo ngayon, 2.5 million na. Gets, guys? Kung pumasok lang kayo in this day, in this range, no? From December of 2018 to February, or even up to, yeah, okay. Guys, kung pumasok lang kayo, no, between December of 2018 and this March, kung pumasok lang kayo ng pera, no, siguro yung kinita nyo ngayon is at 100% na. So kung pinasok yung pera sa Bitcoin is 1 million, no, 1 month ago or 2 months ago, pera nyo ngayon from 1 million, 2 million na, no? So ayun, sayang 'di ba? Pero ganun talaga guys, no? Kailangan natin masaktan para matuto. And I'm pretty sure marami na ngayon nanghihinayang sa inyo. Pero okay lang 'yan, ganun talaga buhay eh, 'di ba? Parang pag-ibig lang 'yan. Tsaka yung mga yeah, wag na tayo lumalim. So, ayun, tingnan ko muna yung mga chat ng Repa Pits natin diyan. Ayun, hello kay Jack Jack Benologa. Uh, ayun, Basti Gonzales. Tama yan. Siyempre, pag hindi mo alam, after mo manood, may matutunan ka, di ba? So, ayun guys, sa mga hindi alam, please, punta kayo sa YouTube and lagay nyo lang Coin Runners PH, then subscribe kayo doon. Hi, Benny. Ayun, so parang Coin Runners throwback lang to. The last crypto live stream I did was with Coin Runners. So this is my first individual solo na live stream. Anyway, okay. So with all that said, no, ang nakikita ko kay Bitcoin ngayon is the, mas malaking chance na nahanap na natin yung bottom at 3,000 USD, no? Kasi kung titingnan mo yung cycle ngayon ni Bitcoin, right? After natin tumaas, bumagsak tayo, no? Dito, tumaas tayo. After natin tumaas, bumagsak din tayo. Then kung may kita nyo, after ng bagsak, sideways taas, no? So, ito yung bagsak, ito yung sideways, no? Ito yung sideways, ito yung sideways. So, lagyan natin ng green box, no? So, ito yung sideways in the past. And then, ito yung sideways natin this year. Then, after the sideways here in the past, tumaas tayo, no? So, after the sideways this year, may kita natin, tumaas din tayo dito. Right? So, ngayon, um, wala yung music. Yun. So, ngayon, again, I believe, I believe, kung nasaan tayo ngayon dito, andito tayo in the past. No? So, nakikita niyo naman siguro sa screen, right? Na itong white box, kung nasaan tayo ngayon, ito tayo in the past. So, there's a good probability that we will go sideways for a while before we continue up. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakapasok ng Bitcoin, maybe this is the time, no? Kasi, again guys, itong box na to is equivalent to this box in the past. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakapasok ng Bitcoin, this is your chance to go in during this sideways. And I'm not really sure, no? I cannot say na we will follow this exact price action in the past and now. Pero all I can say is, guys, if you have extra money, 10,000, 5,000, bili kayo ng Bitcoin. Kasi the first Bitcoin I bought, I only bought around 5,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin. So sa mga hindi alam, guys, you don't need to buy a single Bitcoin. Hindi niyo kailangan bumili ng isang pirasong Bitcoin, no? Pwede kayong bumili ng 5,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin, 1,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin, right? Pwede siya ng 1,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin. Hindi nyo kailangan ng isang Bitcoin kasi one Bitcoin now would cost 8,000 USD, 8,700 USD, and that's almost that's 400 plus thousand for a single Bitcoin. So again, guys, if hindi pa kayo nakabili ng Bitcoin, pwede kayo bumili ng Bitcoin ng butal-butal. No, pwede kayo bumili ng Bitcoin ng butal-butal. Pwede kayo bumili ng 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin. Ian, Emmanuel, and Nora, this is Bitcoin. So nakasulat dito BLX, pero Bitcoin to. Okay, guys, again, this is Bitcoin chart, no? And ayun nga, so and again guys, nagbebenta ako ng Bitcoin. So if may interested sa inyo bumili ng Bitcoin, you can contact me and I can sell you some Bitcoins, no? Okay, going back, let's do a proper technical analysis for Bitcoin before we continue. So again guys, hindi po this nakasulat dito BLX, but this is actually Bitcoin, no? So let's do Bitcoin. Again, we're doing Bitcoin, pero ang titingnan natin ng Bitcoin ngayon is Binance Bitcoin. Hi Tatik Junicio. Yes, Ethereum and XRP is on the list. We will do an analysis on that too. I doubt magkakaroon ng Bitcoin sa call. And even magkaroon ng Bitcoin sa call, I will not trade Bitcoin sa call. Kasi wala silang automated stop loss, automated breakout, no? Sige Marwin, if you want to buy Bitcoin, send me a message na lang on Facebook. Okay? So and guys, sa mga gusto bumili Bitcoin, you can just send me a message on Facebook. So, itong Bitcoin chart na to, no, hindi siya kompleto kasi this is Bitcoin on Binance. And Binance is my go-to crypto exchange. So, ngayon, let's do an analysis of Bitcoin. So, basic, let's start with support and resistance. So, the resistance is here. Ito yung all-time high ni Bitcoin, right? And the next resistance na nakikita ko is here. No, ito yung resistance na nakikita ko. Pero mukhang nabasag niya na, no? So, if nabasag na yung resistance na yan, then our next resistance would be here, right? And, syempre, kung may resistance tayo, oy, maraming salamat, Ian, sa pag-share. Sa pag-share ng link. Nakalimutan ko pala siya i-share sa mga groups. Okay, guys. So, commercial break lang. I'm just gonna share this live stream sa mga groups. Kalimutan ko. J. A, Mr. Guevara, I prefer Binance. But if hindi pa kayo nakabilang Bitcoin, Abra. So again, kung gusto niyo bumili Bitcoin, you can contact me. No? Salamat, Michael Cruz. Sure naman na hindi ko kayo lolokohin, guys. Kasi andyan naman yung page ko eh. Andyan yung page ko, andyan, alam, karamihan sa inyo, alam yung pangalan ko, karamihan din sa inyo, alam yung personal Facebook profile ko. So, I have more to lose. To, no, pag skinam ko kayo, that you have to lose. No. So, again, ayan, tapos ko na siya i-share sa mga groups na alam ko. So, once again, guys, please tag your friends, your neighbors, your mom, if they're trading crypto. Right? Okay, so again, guys, I am doing Bitcoin on the weekly time frame para malagay muna natin yung mga major support and resistance. Then we will go down to the lower time frame to analyze Bitcoin. So, ito yung mga resistance na nakikita ko, no? Itong resistance na nakikita natin dito, medyo matagal pa natin yan bago maaabot. But, this is the current resistance, no? And makita natin na basig yan na. So maybe there's a good probability that we will reach this next resistance before we go down, no, which is the 10K. So if we reach resistance here, or maybe we U-turn here, so ayan guys, possible kasi na mag-U-turn na tayo on the 8,700 resistance, or kaya pa natin tumaas sa 10,000 resistance bago mag-U-turn. So if nag-U-turn tayo, asan yung next major support natin? So the next major support na nakikita ko is around here at the 6,000, sorry, at the 6,000 plus region, no? So yeah, so ngayon punta tayo sa daily. Guys, sabi ni di ka namin marinig. Siguro lakasan mo yung volume. May sounds ba? Meron naman sounds. So, hindi ko alam ba't di nyo naririnig. Right? So, ayun. So, guys, this is the daily time frame. No? And, actually kasi guys, ang support and resistance, no, usually zone yan eh. So, if ever we do retrace, we can find support anywhere inside here. Right? So, lagyan natin siya ng blue box. So, this is a good support zone that I think we can visit if we have found resistance. But then again, pag si Bitcoin pumasok na siya sa bull market or sa bull run, medyo konti na lang mga retracement niyan eh, no? Konti na lang yung mga retracement niya. So, dito may kita natin bull run, no? May kita natin konti lang retrace. Ito, nagkamalaking retrace, pero grabe yung parabolic. So, again, we are at a resistance, no? But we definitely broke out of the resistance here, no? Nabasag natin tong resistance na to. And kung may kita nyo guys, adjust ko lang siya ng konti. Kung may kita nyo guys, itong candle na to is a hammer candle. Ibig sabihin, itong resistance na nabasag natin, it's now acting as support, right? So if this holds, if this supports hold, then we have a potential upside of another 14%, no, before we reach the next resistance. So for me, wala akong masyadong makita sa daily. Hold on. Okay, so looking at the indicators of RSI, yeah, definitely mukhang kaya niya pa tumaas. But let's look at the past indicator nung nag-bull run tayo. Yup, definitely kaya pa. Kasi itong nakikita ko dito, itong double top sa RSI nakikita ko dito, possible na ito rin yung double top in the past. Right? So, possible na nandito tayo. Kung ano tayo dito ngayon, possible na ito yung nangyayari in the past, no? So, fractals ang tawag dyan. Ibig sabihin, ang mga price action kasi medyo may characteristic and sometimes umuulit. So, may kita si RSI, medyo pareha siya dito, right? And then after that, tumaas before we drop big. So, maybe we will go to this next resistance before we drop big, right? Medyo mahirap din sabihin kasi guys, medyo mataas na yung tinaas ni Bitcoin. So hindi ko siya pwede i-recommend na pumasok kayo ngayon, no? Pero at the same time, nakakatakot din kasi pag hindi ka pumasok ngayon, paano kung tumuloy-tuloy yung lipad, right? So let's go down. Let's go down to 12 hour. Tingnan natin kung meron tayong makikitang mga well, yep, medyo nakakatakot na siya. Pero let's go down. Let's go down to 4 hour. So itong 4 hour, currently 4 hour, no. May kita natin na nag-breakout tayo based on trend line resistance. Nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito, no? Same as here in the past, meron tayong trend line resistance na binasag natin. After natin siya mabasag, tumaas, no? At the same time, meron tayong ulit ditong trend line. Right? Meron tayo dito ulit trend line na nabasag. Right? So ngayon, medyo bullish ako kay Bitcoin. Kasi syempre, naka-long ako kay Bitcoin. Naka 100x leverage ako sa BitMEX kay Bitcoin. So ayun, confirmed breakout. No, ayun, confirmed breakout, 'di ba? So 4 hours, nothing much to see. But and guys, so sa mga merong Bitcoin ngayon, sa mga merong hawak ng Bitcoin ngayon, please put a stop loss at 8418. Maglagay kayo ng stop loss sa 8418. Yung mga may hawak ng Bitcoins ngayon, maglagay kayo ng stop loss sa 8418 because for me, malapit na yung wave 5, no? So sa mga marunong mag-Elliott wave theory, this is what I mean. So based on Elliott wave theory, there's always a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves going up. Then after a 5 waves going up, usually nagkakaroon tayo ng malaking correction, no? Again guys, after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves going up, usually nagkakaroon tayo ng correction na malaki. And usually we fall down, no? Anywhere from 382 down to 618. So, for me, I think we are at the fifth wave, no? We are at the fifth wave. That's what I think, okay? So, after this, after natin matapos tong fifth wave, magkakaroon tayo ng malaking correction, no? So, sa mga merong hawak ng Bitcoin ngayon, or mga naka-long position kay Bitcoin ngayon, please put your stop loss at 8418. No, this is Bitcoin on Binance. No, so yan yung mabibigay kong play sa inyo. Kasi, let's go down to 1 hour. So, ayun. No. So, possible kasi, ito yung nakita ko eh. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is somewhere around here. Right. Let's use some Fibonacci magic. So my projection for wave 5 is somewhere between 9,200 to 9,300. No? Maybe even longer. Right? Pero anyway, ito yung nakikita ko. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and based on Elliott wave theory, when we reach fifth wave, nagkakaroon tayo ng malaking correction. And, right? So, medyo malaki-laki rin yung babagsakin natin if ever we reach the fifth wave, around negative 8%. So, ayun, so the only way I can say is, guys, pag gusto nyo i-trade si Bitcoin ngayon, sige, pwede kayo bumili ng Bitcoin ngayon kasi meron tayong trend line resistance breakout eh. So siguro maglagay kayo ng stop loss uh, dito. No, pwede kayo maglagay ng stop loss sa 8411 pero kung gusto niyo ng tight stop loss sa 8615. No, so tingnan ko lang siya sa 15 minutes. There. So sa 15 minutes, yeah, no. Okay. Yep, I think mas better kung yung stop loss natin ilagay natin dito sa 84 8408, no? So siguro punta na lang kayo sa Bitcoin chart nyo, tapos maglagay lang kayo ng linya kung nasaan yung recent low natin. So in my part, it's around 8,400. Okay? So yan lang masasabi ko kay Bitcoin, no? Bullish and put your stop loss sa 8407. Hi Mike, sige, sama natin si ENJ sa chart request. Bautista MJ, sige, let's try to do an Elliott wave count for you. Let's try. So if I'm gonna try to make an Elliott wave count, mahirap sabihin eh. Pero medyo mahirap bilangin si Bitcoin ngayon ah. Possible na ganito. Okay. If I am to try to count Bitcoin, which is honestly medyo mahirap ngayon, yan. So for me, I think Bitcoin is on fourth, right? And then 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, ito yung nakikita kong count kay Bitcoin. Then if we're gonna try to count the inside, possible din to na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, so may another 5 waves sa loob. No, so I am no Elliott wave expert and honestly medyo mahirap siya bilangin. But if I'm going to try to count it, then this is how I would count it. Yes, Julius on top. Meron tayong bearish divergence on the daily, but then again, guys, pag nasa bull market kayo, this is something that you need to remember. If we are in the bull market, kahit magkaroon pa tayo ng divergence, kahit magkaroon pa tayo ng bearish divergence, pag nasa bull market tayo, pwede pa rin tumuloy-tuloy yung taas ni Bitcoin, no? So my advice is, if we are in a bear market, look for a bullish divergence. Pag nasa bear market tayo, look for a bearish divergence. Kasi pag bull market, mas malakas yung bull divergence. Mahina yung bearish divergence. Pag nasa bear market tayo, malakas naman yung bearish divergence, mahina yung bullish divergence. No? So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin, and our next stop is Ethereum. So, uh, ano mas trip nyo guys? Yes, exactly, Allen Balba. Nadidisrespect yung bullish divergence. Ay, sorry. Nadidisrespect yung bearish divergence pag nasa bear market. Sorry, sabog. Nadidisrespect yung bearish divergence pag nasa bull market tayo. So, ayun, let's do Ethereum paired with mahirap din itong bilangin. Pero subukan ko siya gawa ng count. So if I am to try to count Ethereum, then possible siya na ito yung wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yun guys, bullish ako kay Ethereum. Wala pa tayong nakikitang bearish divergence on the daily. No? Wala pa tayong nakikitang bearish divergence. So guys, yeah, okay rin pumasok kay Ethereum. Wala pa tayong divergence na nakikita. Well, actually, meron dito. Meron dito. Sorry, meron pala. So maybe wait for a correction kasi wave 3 is about to finish, and pagkatapos ni wave 3, magkakaroon tayo ng significant correction. Right, somewhere around here. Right. So this is for Ethereum. And the next resistance for Ethereum na nakikita ko is at 360. No? Well, meron din naman tayong resistance dito. Pero mukhang nabasag na natin yung resistance, right? Yes, Randy Perico. Meron din tayong yes, Randy, meron din tayong Ripple. So, yeah, meron tayong covered natin si Ethereum. So, ayun, sa mga kakapasok lang, ito yung mga coins, no, na i-cover natin tonight. No, yan yung mga coins na cover natin tonight. So, with Ethereum, yeah, we are at resistance. Nabasag natin yung resistance. And tanggal natin yung elite wave count. So far, we are staying above. This is 9 EMA. So far, we are still staying above 9 EMA. So medyo bullish pa ako dyan. And this one, no, this is, if we're gonna apply elite wave theory, this is an A, B, C, D, E. Right. This is a triangle, pero hindi siya perfect triangle. Hindi siya perfect triangle, guys. No, hindi siya perfect triangle, but it is still a triangle. So ngayon, bullish ulit tayo kay Ethereum kasi yun nga, nabasag niya to. And then, if you're gonna go in closer, nabasag na ba? Well, medyo. Let's go into 1 hour. So So sa mga may Ethereum, no, if you wanna play Ethereum, sige, go ahead, buy some Ethereum or go long on Ethereum so long as you put a stop on the 261.05. So again, I am bullish on Ethereum pero sa mga hindi pa nakakapasok, I think it's a little bit too late. Medyo risky na kasi medyo malayo na tayo sa ano sa stop loss, no. You're gonna risk around 4.7, no. But if hindi naman kayo nasa BitMEX nagte-trade, tapos sa Binance lang naman kayo, sige, pwede. Pwede pa kayo pumasok so long as maglagay kayo ng stop loss sa 261. Okay? So that's how I would play Ethereum. And yeah. So after Ethereum, check na rin natin si Ethereum BTC, no? Kasi baka may mga Ethereum holders dyan. So itong si Ethereum BTC, medyo interesting kasi mukha siyang bull flag right? So itong dinodrawing ako, this is the flag and this would be the pole, no? So how would I play this? Number one, you can buy when we break the resistance of 0.3 Satoshi, or actually ngayon pwede na kayo bumili, no? Pwede niyo na to pasukan so long as maglagay lang kayo ng stop loss dito sa 0.30171, no? Kasi meron tayo ditong breakout based on trendline resistance. But then again, trendline resistance are not always reliable. So always remember to put your stop loss. And our stop loss is this one. Okay? This one. And then let's look at Ripple. Natin si Ripple. Ayun guys, so sa mga nagtatanong kung anong broker yung gamit ko, please send me a PM para ma-send ko sa inyo yung link kung ano yung broker na ginagamit ko for crypto. And at the same time, sa mga bagong nanonood, sa mga bagong viewers natin, if you're interested to buy some Bitcoins, let me know. I can help you buy some Bitcoins. Yeah. Well, actually, I sell Bitcoins. No, so if you want to venture into crypto, if you want to start crypto, if you want to buy Bitcoin, yeah, I'm that guy. So, guys, nakikita nyo dito, hindi ba si Ethereum paired with Bitcoin, di ba meron din tayong bull flag na nakita kanina, right? So, ito yung pole, and then ito yung flag, right? And then after that, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito, no? So, kung titignan nyo ulit, so ngayon, this is Ripple chart. So if we're gonna look at Ethereum BTC, medyo familiar or medyo similar yung price action movement, no? So ayan, nakikita nyo, halos pares sila na Ripple, no? So for Ripple, guys, I am bullish on Ripple. So sa mga nanood, this is Ripple paired with BTC, and the exchange that I'm using is BitMEX. Yes, kasama sa Ian, kasama yung si TRX. Yes. So Ripple, this is on the 1-hour chart. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, how low did we retrace? So, nasa 382 tayo. So, there's a possibility that Ripple will do something like this. No? Go down to the 618 Fibonacci level. So, guys, if you wanna enter Ripple, if you wanna play with Ripple, pasok kayo dito at 5,432 satoshis, no? Pasok kayo once we break the resistance of 5,432 satoshis para conservative. Kasi I think we will do a correction na parang ganito, no? ABC. Tapos hopefully we find support at the golden pocket of the Fibonacci, right? And check natin si 4 hour. Excuse me. Okay, sa mga nakapasok na maaga kay Ripple, pwede na kayo mag-take ng profit ngayon. Or tapos sa mga hindi pa nakakapasok kay Ripple, siguro pwede kayong mag-abang dito. Pero medyo alanganin kasi mag-abang eh. So the more conservative and more safer way to buy Ripple is if we break the resistance of 5,432 satoshis. Okay? Kasi if you enter now, there's a good probability na babagsak pa tayo ng mga ilang percent. Pwede pa tayo bumagsak ng 6%, no? So medyo risky. Wait for the break of the 5,432 resistance. Then after Ripple, yeah, meron tayong TRX, no? So let's do TRX. Okay, okay. So okay, meron nakitang setup ngayon for TRX, no? Sa mga nagbi-BitMEX or sa mga gusto pumasok kay TRX. Sige, pwede kayo pumasok ngayon kasi meron tayong breakout on the trendline resistance. And then just be sure na maglagay kayo ng stop loss at 384 satoshis. So here uh, yeah. Yup, nasa resistance na tayo. Natamaan na natin yung resistance, no? So sa mga papasok ngayon pa lang kay TRX, okay, again guys, never go all in. Never go all in, okay? That's the fastest way to go bankrupt in trading. So again, guys, if you wanna saglit lang, let me analyze the chart. Ian or I'm Dead Liz. Sige, pwede ko siya i-send pero medyo mabilisan kasi yung galaw. Well, hindi naman ganun kabilis. Pero sige, I'll send. I'll post this on Trader Circle VIP. No? So if you are to enter TRX now, where would you set your ganito? If you enter TRX now and then you set your stop loss to 384 satoshis, you target this one. So again, guys, our risk to reward ratio is 2.45. No, not bad. So my target profit again is at 453 satoshis and then my stop loss would be at 384 satoshi. Okay? Okay, sige. XRP USD naman. Kasi XRP na ginawa ko kanina is XRP paired with Bitcoin. So yeah, sige, let's do it. Yun. So, medyo mahirap kapahit. Pero if this is a bullish setup, then possible na ganyan. No? XRP USD. Let's go to 4 hours. So honestly speaking, medyo nakakatakot pa pumasok ngayon kay Ripple kasi medyo mataas na. So what I would do is usually wait for a consolidation, no? I would wait for a bull flag. So, ngayon, wala pa akong nakikitang bull flag para pumasok. So, yan guys, medyo pasensya na kung malikot yung chart kasi naghahanap ako ng wave counts eh. Pero, bigyan nyo ng konting saglit. Tingnan lang natin. So, ayun, tanggal natin si Elliott wave. And let's use basic support and resistance. So, this is our current resistance, no? At 47,000 satoshis, and we are approaching resistance. So it is riskier to buy now. So what you want to do is you buy at support, no? And the support na nakikita ko is somewhere around here. No, this is a good area to buy. No, we are near resistance, so hindi siya ganun ka-recommended to buy. So wait for a correction, no, before you enter. And so we will go on to the next request, which is DGB. Uh, let's do DGB paired with Bitcoin na lang siguro. Wala akong makita. Saan yung... Sige, let's do Bittrex. So, ipa-plot lang muna natin yung mga support and resistances. So, DGB is on the DGB is on support. But then again, it's either we hold support here or we go down here. But either way, if we're gonna look at the history, no, this is a good support zone. Itong kung nasaan si DGB ngayon. So if this current support doesn't hold and we go down, well, 45%, no? So wait lang. Kailangan ko mag-isip. Check natin yung weekly time frame. So, yun yung mga support natin. Oh! So, sa weekly time frame, meron tayong tinatawag na shooting star. No? Anyway, this candle, no, itong candle na to na itong candle na merong ganito. So usually, on a downtrend, no? On a downtrend, pag nakita kayo ng green candle ng ganito, ibig sabihin there's a good probability na magre-reverse na tayo. No? Kung may kita nyo dito in the past, after a long downtrend, nakita nyo tong candle, di ba? Medyo similar siya sa ganito. After this, nag-reverse na tayo. no? So here, nag-downtrend tayo ulit. Tapos, nakita nyo, meron tayong itong candle na to, no? So, if you wanna play DGB, sige, pwede kayo pumasok. So long as you put a stop loss here at 126 satoshis, no? So, if you wanna buy DGB, put a stop loss at 126, no? There's a very good probability that um, reversal na tayo, no? Let's look at daily. Well, daily, nagkaroon din, ito yung reversal candle, this doji here. And then, nagkaroon tayo ng bullish engulfing candle. So, there's two ways to play it. You enter now, and then you put a stop loss at 126 satoshis. Or, let's go to lower time frame. Yeah. So, looking at the 1 hour, so you have two choices, no? If you kung medyo position trader kayo, medyo mas maluwag, which is around 125 yung stop loss. But if we're gonna use trend line resistance breakout, meron tayong breakout dito. So sa mga gusto mag-swing or mag-scalp, sige, pasok kayo ngayon kasi nakapag-breakout na tayo sa trend line resistance. And then you just put your stop loss here at 178 satoshis for your stop loss. Okay, that's for DGB. And after DGB, tapos na si XRP, XLM. Okay, stellar. Stellar. So, yeah, let's do stellar. Let's use stellar lumen paired sa Bittrex. Kasi mas marami siyang data. Uh, so, nakikita kong strong support zone ni stellar is around here. Ito yung good support zone niya. This area here is a good support zone. At the same time, if we pull out Fibonacci, well, not much use, no? Yeah. Adjust lang natin yung ano. Okay, there's two ways, no? It's either stellar has found its bottom, which is around here, and if hindi pa nahanap ni stellar yung bottom dyan, then our next support will be here. No? Kasi if we're gonna do this, there's a probability that it's either this is an ABC and then reversal na, or there's another scenario called 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 going here. So either way, for stellar, it's either we go up here or we go down again bago tayo tumaas. No? So this is the two scenarios na nakita ko. Bullish scenario is we have found support here and then we go up, but bearish scenario is we go down and then go up. Right? Ayan, singit din natin si TNT for Mr. Angelo. Okay. So far, Stellar is looking good kasi number one, we have reached the oversold. And usually when we reach the oversold, just like in the past, nagkakaroon tayo ng positive reaction and we go up, right? But here, we have reached the overbought. Instead of going up, we went sideways. Pero so far, no, we did an amazing pump here. So my play for Stellar Lumen is, hold on, let's go to the 4 hours. So for Stellar Lumen, okay, let's use Fibonacci. And kung makikita nyo guys, Stellar Lumen has hit the golden ratio. No, 618 Fibonacci level is the golden ratio or the golden pocket. So at the same time, even on the 4-hour chart, makita natin na we have reached the oversold, but then the structure is worry. Medyo nakaka-ano worry. So if you want to buy Stellar, you can wait for confirmation and then buy once we break above the resistance of 1,624 satoshis, right? Or kung mas conservative kayo, you can wait for the breakout here. And then our target profit would be uh, sabihin natin dito. Right here or here. So So, ang pwede mangyari kay Stellar Lumen is we do a price action like this. No? And that's a potential 32% profit. And at the same time, yep. So for Stellar Lumen, buy on the breakout of 1624 or you can buy on the breakout of 1994. And we can set our target profit here, right? Anywhere between 2,095 to 2,200 satoshis for our breakout here. Okay? Nantok na ako, guys. Then after Stellar LTC. Eh, Okay, Mr. Varon, let's do BCH after this. Okay, so ngayon, looking at LTC, no, yeah, so for LTC, medyo, this is LTC USD, and I believe na tapos na yung 5-wave structures natin going up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then usually when we do 5 waves going up, we find a support at the 382, if not 382, 618, and then we try to go up, right? But if LTC is really bullish, then we only retrace to the 382 level, but depende. So my bet is we find support somewhere, anywhere between here before we try to go up again. And then if we're gonna use trend line, so maybe here. So baka matapos yung correction ni LTC sa July pa. Baka lang. No, baka lang. That's just probabilities using Fibonacci. More coffee. Di na pwede pag nagkape ako, di na makatulog mamaya. Pupuyat na naman ako. Okay. So, for LTC guys, medyo late na pumasok. Right? Hindi, I can't say it's late, but it's risky to enter now. So, mag-abang tayo ng correction. Then, after tayo mag-abang ng correction, no, malay mo next week, yeah, weekly ko na siguro gagawin tong live stream. So, baka next week, makahanap tayo ng trade position for LTC. But for the meantime, it's risky to enter now. No, kasi I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can go a little bit higher pa, but it's only a little and it's not worth the risk, no? So after, okay, Varon, let's do your BCH. uh, ayoko i-trade to eh kasi ang pangit ng structure, oh, Varon, 'di ba? Ang pangit. Pero at least I see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up. Down. Right? I see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, and this is on the daily. Let's check 4 hours. Mr. Lagel, Enires Lagel. Mas prefer ko sa Abra kasi the issue with me sa coins is pag nagpasok ka dyan ng kalahating milyon to 1 million pesos, i-freeze nila account mo. Tapos, tatawagan ka ng anti-money laundering something. Right? So, if you wanna cash in, do it with Abra. Okay? Pwede kayo mag-cash in sa akin. Actually, I sell Bitcoins, no? So, Varon, honestly, I'm having a hard time analyzing BCH. Ang pangit eh. Right? But, the thing is, it's looking bearish kasi, well, not, mahirap eh. Mukha kasi itong head and shoulder, no, Varon? Mukha siyang head and shoulder. So, it's really hard to tell. No? So, siguro tanungin mo si Magic E or si I Love Food. Kasi, personally, I'm having a hard time looking for a trade position here. But, I can try to give you a good stop loss. No? So, obviously, a break above this would be bullish. And then, a break below this would be bearish. A, B, ang hirap i-count, no? Hindi ko siya ma-count mabuti. So, I really have no idea what I'm doing here, no, Baron? So, I'm really sorry if I can't give you a good analysis on BCH. But, tingnan natin si BCH, BTC. Baka, well, let's try, yeah, BCH, BTC. Oh my lord, ang pangit din. Hold on. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, no. Okay, no. Yeah, hindi ko siya it's going sideways and usually ito yung weakness ko. But then again, guys, Baron, if we are going to use hike and touch, then this would be probably bullish. So long as, well, wait, tingnan natin sa 4 hours. Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah, ayoko magbigay ng analysis. Hindi ko siya magawa ng magandang analysis. Okay, but sige, lagyan natin yung support and resistance. This is support, resistance here, support here. And then mag-drawing tayo ng trend line. So ayan, guys, ayun, Baron, hindi pa siya nababasag. So probably if we break above this, dyan tayo magiging bullish. No, but yeah, it's hard to tell. Sorry, Baron. Yeah. Uh, after okay, BNB. No, this is one of the best performing coin this year. I think it's yeah, it I think this is the best performing coin. Well, daily looks bullish, guys. Okay, so daily we have reached the oversold, right? So dito tayo naka oversold. And then ngayon, hindi pa tayo maabot sa overbought. So definitely, I think there's still room for this to go up. But I also believe that we will correct before we continue going up. So if we're gonna use edit wave, I'm seeing this as one, two, three, four. Yeah, four, and then five. And then if we're going to get the Fibonacci, nasa 382 ano pa lang tayo correction, right? And then subukan natin i-estimate yung time kung kailan to matatapos. Yeah. Tingnan natin yung 1 hour. Kasi, well, 1 hour looks bullish, right? If we go to 2 hour, well, actually, pwede na kayo pumasok. No? Kasi number one, this is a bullish engulfing candle, no? Which looks bullish, right? And meron tayong bullish divergence here, right? Higher low on the RSI, but lower low on the price action. So, how to play this? Enter now. Set your stop loss at 36,492 satoshis, no? But if we don't hold, we can still go down here. Pero mukhang kaya na. It's really hard to tell, but yeah, bili lang kayo, and then if matamaan to, then look for another entry, no? So it's yeah. And wala kasi yung mabilang na 5 waves going down eh. Or if you want to be more conservative, you can buy once we break the resistance of 39,234 satoshis, no? Kasi based on risk to reward ratio, medyo malaki yung magiging risk natin. We're gonna risk 5%, no? If ever matamaan yung stop loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So, sa mga gusto pumasok, put your stop loss here, 36,492 satoshis. And those who want to be more conservative, wait for the break above of the resistance ng 39,234 satoshis. Okay? So, that's my play for BNB. But, either way, guys, either way, guys, I am bullish on BNB. No? So kahit bumagsak pa siya ng konti, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna wait for it to bounce up. Kasi yun na nga. And wait, tingnan natin yung Yep, pwede na. Ayad Mac, sabi ni Ayad Mac, yung technical analysis sa PSE pwede ba sa crypto? Yes, yes, yes. No, I started with crypto, tried PSE, it works. No, once you know how to trade, once you know how to chart, you can trade any market that has a chart. So after BNB, BTT. Isa pa to eh, 2 months ago pa ako bullish dito pero hindi lumilipad. Kung kailan na nag-exit, doon siya lumipad, no? So, king ina, di ba? So for BTT, dito pa lang bullish na ako pero hindi siya lumipad. So nung hindi ko na siya pinansin, doon siya lumipad ng 93% guys. Dito ka lang sa crypto ka lang makita ng ganto, no? 15 days, 2 weeks, 140%. So kung meron ka 100,000, yung pera mo ngayon ay 240,000 na, no? Welcome to crypto. So here, yeah, okay, BTT. Let's use some Fibonacci. So, ang resistance kasi nakikita ko dito, ang strong resistance nakikita ko dito for BTT is here. Right? Pero mukhang, yeah, so we are at resistance. At the same time, guys, meron tayong bearish candle dito. This is an inverted hammer. Ibig sabihin, tumaas yung price up to 22 satoshis pero tinulak tayo pababa. And then we have another bearish candle which is another inverted hammer. So let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah. Yep, definitely wait for a yeah, hindi kasi maganda yung candle so hindi ko siya ma-analyze ng mabuti lalo na on lower time frame, right? So just by looking at the 12-hour chart or weekly, yeah, not much help for weekly, daily. Daily kasi we're showing bearish candles, no? So if you wanna trade BTT, then pwede kayo bumili on the break of this, which is the 22 Satoshi resistance. But small positions lang, okay guys? Kasi nasa resistance zone tayo and honestly, as a trader, it is not recommended to buy at resistance. So what I would personally do is wait for it to retrace and find support somewhere between anywhere here, no? Bago papasok kay BTT. Pero sa mga nakapasok, congrats, enjoy your profit. After BTT, ito, nako, si IOTA. Ginawa ko to ng chart eh. So for IOTA, nagbigay ako ng instruction dito. Right? And this is the IOTA chart. Kung makikita nyo guys, this is also on the 4-hour time frame. Ang sabi ko dito is buy on breakout. Right? And then ito yung maging target profit natin. And then if you're gonna look at the chart, guys, it did break out. It broke out. And it did 16%. Gaano katagal? Now, when this broke out, it did 20% in one day. No? 20% in 24 hours. No? So, pwede na kayo na mag-take ng profit ngayon kasi kung makikita nyo guys, we are at the overbought, no? So, nung umabot yung overbought dito, nag-correct tayo pababa. Right? And let's look at the 1 hour. So, ayun, 1 hour, meron na tayong ano dito, bearish divergence. And also, if I'm gonna count Elliott wave, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Right? We can possibly reach here 6,185 satoshis. But then, if nakapasok kayo dito, huwag na kayo maging greedy. Take your profit now kasi mamaya biglang bumuhos yan, right? So, ayun. Sa mga gustong pumasok kay IOTA, yeah, it's too late. It's too late. Nasa resistance na tayo, no? So, after IOTA, Vert. So Vert, eh. Okay, Vert. Let's do the weekly chart. Actually, guys, may pattern si Vert, no? Kung mapapansin nyo. And ito yung ano buying opportunity once we reach this area, which is around 2,448 satoshis, no? Kung papansin nyo, guys, every time we reach 2,448 satoshis, we pump, right? Pump again. So, abang-abang lang dito, no? Pag umabot tayo dito, pero, or dito. So, sa mga may ano dyan, no, bili na kayo ng Vertcoin. Pwede kayo bumili ng Vertcoin kasi if we do not hold support, oh, wow. Medyo malaki-laki rin ah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, bili na kayo ng Vert. No, pasok lang kayo ng konti. Kasi once we reach here, no, grabe liparan nito eh. Pag umabot ka dito, yung pump nyo, 2,000%. No? Every time tumama siya sa zone na to, pag tumaas, grabe talaga. Libo-libo persyento yung inaabot natin, mga repa bits. No? So, once in how many years lang to? Last 2015, 2017, 2019. So guys, every 2 years, no, nagkakaroon tayo ng crazy pump. So this happened in 2015, this happened in 2017, and 2015 plus 2, 2017. 2017 plus 2, 2019. Mathematics lang tayo, guys. uh, Ayan, so pasok lang kayo konti. Siguro kung meron kayo 100,000 na capital pang laro, pasok lang kayo ng mga 5,000 o 10,000, no? 5 to 10% lang. Kasi pag lumipad to, no? Pag lumipad to, yung 5,000 nyo, pwede maging 100,000, no? 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 So, also on guys, on the weekly, I am seeing bullish divergence here. Higher low on the price action, but comparing the price action, this is a lower low. No? So bullish tayo on the weekly. Daily, let's look at daily. Daily, not yet. Pero good news is we are at the overbought. Oversold. So ayun, bili lang kayo ng konti guys. Bili lang kayo ng VTC. Nakita niyo naman yung potential. 2,000% minimum. 5,000%. Right? Okay guys, sa mga nagtatanong kung anong platform gamit ko to trade BTC, please send me a message so I can send you my link. No? Kasi it's a different place kung saan ka bibili ng BTC and then it's a different place kung saan mo ititrade yung BTC. No? So for those people who's interested to start crypto, please send me a message on my Risk Trader page and then I will reply and give you the details. After VTC, ENJ. Yo, Mervin Tupaz. Mervin, what's up? Good evening. Yon, Magic E in the house. Magic E. So, basic support and resistance. This is support. This is a good support. This is another support. So, yeah, currently we are in support zone. But if this doesn't hold, then bababa tayo dito. And if we don't hold, how many percent yung drop? 35%, no? But let's look at the daily. Ay, wait. Guys, nakakapagod talaga mag-technical analysis. Yeah. So here, daily bullish divergence here. We went sideways. Right? So, ayun. If you wanna play ENJ, sige, bili kayo ENJ. Lagay lang kayo ng stop loss dito sa 1,692 satoshis, no? Kasi, hindi ko alam kung ito na yung bottom, right? But, if hindi ito yung bottom, just put a stop loss at 1,692 satoshis, okay? Kasi, syempre, risk management, no? And, let's look at 12 hours. Yep, medyo mahirap siya i-predict, but so this ENJ chart, ginawa ko siya last April 20, so 1 month and 10 days ago, and ginawa ko siya sa 4 hours. So, ayun, gumawa lang ng count. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then mag-find tayo ng support sa 1,800 satoshis. So currently, yeah, nakahanap naman tayo ng support dito sa 1,800 satoshis. Tama ba? Yeah, so basically it's pretty much the same, no? So if we do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Nakikita nyo? The past. The never mind. So ayun, for ENJ, it's really hard to say if this is it pansit, but yeah, mas mukha siya. Mukha kasi itong ABC eh. No. So after an ABC, we do correction. So maybe this is not yet pansit, but if ever, pwede na kayo mag-ladder, no? You can buy now, no? Pwede kayo hindi maglagay ng stop loss kasi either way, malapit na tayo mag-reverse eh. Right? If we do not hold here, we go down here. But I'm pretty sure once we go down here, babounce talaga tayo, no? And try natin mag-drawing ng trendline resistance. So the best way to trade this is once na mabasag natin to, no? For me, sige, wag muna kayo bumili. Pag nabasag natin tong resistance here, if we break above 2,458 satoshis, or better yet, dito kung mas conservative. But it's too far. No? So dito, kasi ito yung trendline resistance, nabasag natin siya, no? Nabasag natin tong trendline resistance, pero bumalik tayo sa loob. So siguro you can put a buy on breakout here at 2,443 satoshis for ENJ, no? And then TNT. Ayun, so wow guys, 1 hour and 30 minutes na pala tayo nag-stream. Isang oras kalahati na pala. Okay, mukhang pump and dump to ah. Yep, pump and dump. Meron tayo ditong flat top. Ano yung gupit na flat top? No? Every time na tumatama tayo dito, bumabalik tayo paloob. So yeah, definitely will not touch this coin. Yeah. But anyway, if you wanna buy in, if you wanna join the pump and dump, pwede ka bumili dito sa 320 satoshis or dito sa 241 satoshis. Pero not yet, no? Not yet. Yeah, even on the 4-hour chart, hindi pa tapos yung correction. I think we will do something like this. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, somewhere in here, papump na naman tayo, tapos babagsak na naman tayo. No? Pero pag bull run, talagang babasagin tuloy-tuloy. Right? So that's for TNT. Yes, Mervin. Kanina ko pa kasi sabi sa mga viewers ko, ito yung first crypto live stream ko since March. Yeah, I think it's March or April. Matagal-tagal na talaga, bro. Ayun, so sige, singit natin si RCN last, okay? Guys, isang oras at kalahati na, 1 hour and 30 minutes na tayo nagsistream. So far nag-enjoy ako, so hindi ko na malay na isang oras at kalahati na tayo. No? Oh, ayaw ng Bitfinex. Okay. Kawawa yung mga may hawak ng RCN. So, ayan yung trendline resistance, no? For me, ay wait, RCN, BNB to sabaw. Sorry. Okay, so for RCN, it's either this is the bottom, no? It's either this is the bottom or this is not yet the bottom. Mukha siyang 1, pwede to maging 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Right? So, I don't know. Baka malakas tong support. Sorry guys. Okay, so never mind this. Ito, mas madali. No? May, wala pang ADA. Sige, Joven Delgado, let's do ADA after this. Di pa pala nagagawa si ADA. So, I think trend line resistance na nakikita natin, very obvious. No? So, there's two choices. You buy on the breakout of this or this. But personally, I would choose to wait for the breakout of this kasi minsan nang makulit si price action eh. So definitely will not recommend there. Buy on the breakout here or here, right? Kasi we have established support here eh. Meron na tayong support dito, no? So, yeah, definitely no trade zone for me yet on RCN kasi wala pa nakikitang higher low. And this looks like possible expanding ABC to, no? I don't know. It's hard to tell kasi the thing with altcoin is pinakamahirap bilangin yung wave 1 nila during the reversal. So, I'm sorry medyo okay, next time I will rarely talk about Elliott wave kasi yeah, okay. Okay guys, I'm sorry kung medyo advanced ako magsalita sa trading, but on the next live stream, I promise I will try to make it as newbie friendly possible. Okay? So, okay, sorry. For RCN, my take on this is hindi pa ako bibili kasi it's going sideways, so I would wait for the break of 615 Satoshi or 696 Satoshi resistance before ako pumasok. No? Or if mas conservative ka, pwede dito sa 936. No? It's yeah. Yep. So those are my recommendation. And the next is ADA, our last. No, hopefully the last kasi nakadalawang last na ako pero di pa rin tayo tapos. So for ADA, daily we have reached the oversold, no, here. Tapos also nagkaroon tayo ng bullish engulfing candle but then a while nag-retrace tayo. Right? So let's go to the 4 hour and let's pull out my ADA chart. So this is the ADA chart Oh, so long story short. Oh. We are breaking out, guys. Yeah. So for ADA, this is a possible one, two, three, four, and then five is here. No? And then, no. Ito pala yung dapat. So for ADA, let's check the Fibonacci. And yeah, so wait for the break. For me, the breakout is at 1073. Once we break above 1073 satoshis, you can try to enter, right? Yeah, bullish divergence dito, oh, lower low, higher low, tapos taas. So definitely have more room to go up kasi wala pa naman tayo sa overbought on the 4 hour, on the even on the 12 hour, pero let's look at 1 hour. Yep. Yeah. So ayun, wait for the breakout of 1073 satoshis before entering. Kasi yeah, pwede pa tayo bumagsak eh. We can even go as low as 618, right? If we do not hold support here, then there's a probability that we go down here. So possible siya magganto, guys. A, B, C. Possible siya magganyan. So we finish A, B, C. So B hindi pa tapos, no? But yun nga, if we break above 1073, then ibig sabihin hindi na matutuloy itong ABC, no? So keep an eye on 1073 Satoshi resistance. So ayun lang, guys. It's been a fun 1 hour and 42 minutes doing crypto charts for you guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this will be a weekly thing. No, so once again, guys, this is Risk Trader. Do not forget to set your stop loss and learn to take your profit. Oops, joke lang. Good night, guys. Good night. Good night. Uh, asan na yung